data in its most beautiful form. With dashboards from Konica Minolta, you get a comprehensive overview of all key metrics, whether it's finances, inventory, sales, or your very own KPIs. Each dashboard provides you with the overall picture or a detailed view, right down to individual records. Always up to date and accessible on all devices at any time. Thanks to multiple data sources and graphical analyses, you always stay on top of things. Selected AI-based features like revenue forecasting and churn prediction allow you to plan more reliably. All data at a glance. Benefit from flexibility and use your dashboards on all devices and systems. Thanks to Microsoft Power BI, there are hardly any limits in application. We know exactly what matters. With years of experience in controlling in IT, our focus on services, and all 6 Microsoft designations. With packages for every company size and our growing portfolio of available and customizable dashboards, we support you on your path to the future of reporting. All without the Excel madness. Schedule a free consultation now.